Hello, this is how to open in the integrated development environment Qt Creator version 15 and newer a project KDE module after you have built it using kdesrc-build or kde-builder. These instructions are for version 15 of Qt Creator and are way simpler than before. The instructions just say open one file, which is from the build directory ~kd/build, the name of the module, and cmakecache.txt. You open that as a project in Qt Creator. And then in order to make sure that the run and debug work correctly and starts the build software, in this case kcalc, correctly, you will need to set some environment variables in the Qt Creator run configuration, which is this block of environment variables in this example. So just two steps. One, open the cmakecache.txt file as a project, and two, set these environment variables. Let's see how that works. I have built using kdesrc-build three modules: kcalc, calc with two Ks, and krdc. Let's open Qt Creator. And let's follow the instructions for all of these three repositories and see how fast it is. Let's see this file. So ~kde-build kcalc, and it's called cmakecache.txt, this one. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. And it requires that you press this button, the configure project button. It has found the correct directory for sources, which is tilde/kd/src/kcalc. It has found the correct build directory where cmake builds. It has found the correct Qt version that should be used. So all that remains is to click on this button, configure project. And at this moment, cmake configure step has already run correctly, and you can build the software if you want, which would be the button, this one, rebuild project kcalc. And in the selector, we can see that kcalc is the correct cmake target selected. The other options are executable files, which are tests. Okay, so everything was configured. I just opened this file and clicked on a button. And now even the application runs semi-correctly if I just click on the button, run Ctrl+R. But in order to make sure that the application really runs correctly, because the application was built using kdesrc-build or kde-builder, you would need to execute, to source this bash script file, which just exports some environment variables. So we'll see what this file actually does, and then we'll configure Qt Creator to set those environment variables before running the application kcalc or before starting the debugger and then starting kcalc from there. This is what the prefix.sh file does, just set some environment variables. And what we want to do is to set these environment variables in a fresh bash session. And then we want the actual values of the environment, the current values of the environment variables. As you can see in the prefix.sh file, what it does, it takes the current values from the path environment variable and to it prepends this directory. So we're not interested in the old version of the path environment variable. We're not interested into what's prepended. We're interested into the new version of the path environment variable. All of these environment variables got changed when we have source prefix.sh, and now we're interested into the new values of these environment variables: path, xdg data dirs, xdg config dirs, Qt plugin path, qml to import path, Qt quick controls style path, man path, and sassl path, which we do running these things. So first we source prefix.sh, and then we run this block of command lines which do echo. So this is the end result we're after. The name of the environment variable equals, and then the current value of the environment variable. So path equals, and then the current value of the environment, which is $path. And this thing we need to save as this file, and I'm going to use Qt for that. You can use any text editor. I have put a trailing new line just in case. Control V. And the contents of this file will need to put inside of the Qt Creator configuration. So let's see where. I've copied to clipboard the content of the file. Qt Creator left sidebar, projects with tooltip, this thing. Switch to projects mode, Control 5. There's a bold on the left hand side, there's a bold text, build and run, this one. And then under that there's a run, this one. And then the run settings page is shown, which is this one, this page. Under there in run configuration, we need to make sure that kcalc is selected, which it is. So what we want in here is the executable that we want to debug or run. And most of the time, this is if the KDE application, the KDE source code repository that you're building is for a graphical user interface application, then there's an executable that's the main executable of that graphical user interface app, and you want to select that executable file, so kcalc. In the environment group box, which is this one, so this is a group box, starts here and ends here. We need to click on details, and to the right of the button append path, which is this one button. So in here there's a huge multi-line edit box where we paste the values from expanded -prefix-sh.txt file. That's it. There's nothing to save, to apply to anything. And then, just to be extra sure, we're going to check this checkbox. Show in application output when running. So this is step 2, where in this edit box, we paste the content of this file. And then we can just straight run the application. That was a really fast build. When the application kcalc starts, it's started by Qt Creator. Inside Qt Creator's application output tool window, which is Alt-3. We can see that at the start of the process, the environment variables are being displayed. So in here, we'll look at some of these environment variables to make sure that they have the exact same value when the process kcalc starts. Let's look at the path first. So this is the one. So starts with tilde/kd/usr/bin, yes. Then .cargo bin, yes. Then .local bin, yes. And the last one is .local share JetBrains toolbox scripts, yes. So the values of the environment variables that we configured in here in this multi-line edit box have been applied correctly by Qt Creator to the processes that Qt Creator starts. The other possibility is to start inside of the debugger. I'm not sure what breakpoints we have, but in the main menu in Qt Creator debug, we have this interesting option, which is start and break on main F10. It automatically starts on the first possible line inside of the main, which is the C++ entry point function. There's no need to actually dig through this projects tool window in order to find the place where main function is defined. Qt Creator will be able to find it. This is documented here. So from Qt Creator main menu, debug, and then start and break on main. F10. And then from here, the debugger experience is what you would expect. There's on mouse hover evaluation of identifiers. There's step over, step into, step out, F10, F11, Shift F11. Visual Studio style shortcuts. There's this tool window with the local environment, with the local variables. About data was not initialized yet. The application is running inside of the debugger. We can pause, etc. Okay, let's now see how fast we are in closing this project kcalc inside Qt Creator and opening the next one, which is calc with 2Ks. So first of all, we want to stop the debugger, this button, file, close all projects and editors, open project. Where is it? This one, CMake cache. Configure project and projects, run, build environment, details, and in here we're going to paste everything from here. Control V and run. That's it. Can be done in less than 1 minute. For sure, 60 seconds seems a ton of time. Okay, the next one, krfb. Stop the debugger somehow. How do we do that? It's not running inside of the debugger. But we can stop running anyhow. File, close all projects, open project. Oh. So that's krfb. Configure project. Copy projects. Run. krfb selected. Where are we? This one. Details. Paste. And we're debugging, and it will pause the debugger after it enters the main function. '67 translation unit, C++ or linker or Qt framework code generators. And it stopped at the correct place in the correct file, which is hidden under some directory, main.cpp in this case. And this is it. And we're in set application domain. We started from line 80, and now we're inside this method call. We can inspect the value of domain by hovering on top of the identifier. It says krfb byte array, const, and reference. We can also investigate the value in here in the localhost tool window. We have threads. We could create a breakpoint. It will appear in the list of breakpoints, etc. So really, really fast and simple and foolproof way of opening a KDE project once it's built correctly using kdesrc-build or kd-builder. Okay, but this again requires a new version of Qt Creator, which is at least version 15. And I have always recommended that you don't install Qt Creator from your Linux operating system's binary packages, but instead you use the Qt Online Installer, which is a graphical user interface application from the Qt framework, and you install it from there, which you do like this. You go to the Qt.io website, which is the official web page of the Qt framework, and then you find in here the download for the Qt Online installer. So in the top right there's a button, download try, this thing. It says Qt Community Edition. The web page has changed. There's a bunch of talk in here. and we're at Qt Online Installer looking for Qt binaries. Select your operating system. And download, and the file has the extension run. So Qt Online Installer Linux, some version, and then .run. And this is actually a ELF executable. You make it executable by, let's actually do that. So we save it. It's really small. It's an online installer, not an offline package. This is the file shown in the application Crusader. We can see that it's an ELF file because we have the file command line application. Says it's ELF 64-bit, which will run on my machine because it has very few dependencies. Properties, permissions, make it executable. Okay, and then you can just double click on it. And it's a graphical user interface application, which requires that you have a Qt online or Qt account. So in here, you will have to create your account for the webpage qt.io. This is my account, and then you just go next, 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 and we want custom, yes, just next. And you should keep all of the defaults. So you should keep the ~/Qt directory, the directory that it suggests. After the installation finishes once, this is one graphical user interface application from Qt framework, which is called Qt Online Installer. And this application will install on your computer another application, which is the Qt maintenance tool. I have already installed this Qt Online Installer Qt maintenance tool. You can find it in your start menu. You just search for maintenance, Qt maintenance tool. And you want to add components. The directory where it will install is ~/Qt. And what I want to install is the Qt Creator IDE, but version 15 at least. So I will not install Qt Creator 14.0.2. Instead, I will install Qt Creator 15.0.0-RC1, which is the version available today. But in the next days, Qt Creator 15.0 will be released. This is just a release candidate. So this is the only checkbox that you need, one as long as it's in preview. But once it will be released, it will be this option. Under Qt Creator, the first checkbox in here, Qt Creator, and then 15 dot something. And you select it and you just go next. This is the way to install the integrated development environment Qt Creator, the newest, freshest binaries, and the binaries that have been manually tested by the employees of the Qt framework, of the Qt project, the Qt company. So you're on good hands if you're installing Qt Creator from the recommended place, which is the Qt Online Installer. And this is it. This was how more simplified it is the procedure of how to load in the integrated development environment Qt Creator version 15 or newer a KD project that was built using kdesrc-build or kde-builder. Thank you. In order to get to this web page, you go to my wiki page, which is this one, and mariusp.github.io. At the bottom is the link to this wiki. So my user page on community.kd.org. And at the bottom of the page, there's instructions for how to load in the integrated development environment Qt Creator, or in the environment variable in the integrated development environment JetBrains CLion, a project after it was built correctly using kdbuilder or kdesrc-build. So instructions for Qt Creator and instructions for CLion. Thank you.